Today we're going to be going over the TraderSync trading journal and how to use ChatGPT with your trading journal so that you can optimize your trades and find out where you're losing. So we have a test account opened here. If you're not familiar with what a trading journal is, it's basically a piece of software that allows you to upload all of your trades or automatically sync all of your trades. We can help you guys set that up in the comments below. Just let us know if you need some help. But basically, you connect this system to your broker and all your trades show up. So you get an idea of different strategies. What's your profit rate? Like I said, we have a test account here today and we're just going to be testing out some of these strategies within here. First thing we're going to do is look at these two trades here. These were short trades where the reversal did not work out and the pattern actually continued. All right. So here I pulled up that trade. You can see we took the entries right over here. So you have the exact timing of the entry. All I'm going to do is just screenshot this chart right here. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to say, analyze why this trade was stopped out, and then I'm going to pull the details of that trade out of the trading journal. So you could basically just update the details of that trade there. GPT will know what was the position and the entry and price and everything like that. So I'm going to paste that in as well, and then we'll see what the results look like. All right, guys, so this is the power of journaling your trades and getting insights using AI and ChatGPT. So here, by uploading these screenshots and the price information. So basically, ChatGPT has the order information. It knows that we got stopped out on a short trade, very small trade here, just for testing purposes. Has a great analysis in terms of when the trade was being taken. It had an equal high. So anybody who's trading reversals, you guys know, you should be looking at extensions above, right? And the other thing that we could have looked at is that volume on that candle was lower. So typically in a reversal, if you're trying to trade a blow off top or when it's really overextended and it's oversold, you're going to see a huge spike in volume that will show you that, that it's going the other way. So here GPT is recommending the fact that price had made an equal high and there was no clear bearish structure break. Some people like to wait for the confirmation. Depends on how longer you get to hold the trade. So it really depends. But then GPT goes on to give you even more ideas, whether you want to wait for a structure break, get additional confirmations from an RSI divergence, or even just wait for a bearish volume spike, which I thought was very good. So we also use another indicator for reversal probability. We have a library that gives you access to over 100 plus different indicators and Algos, absolutely free. We do recommend some paid ones. If you guys want access, just leave a comment, drop a comment below, just say Algos, or if you want to see these exact Algos, let me know and I'll help you get you guys set up. But we could also look at a confirmation candle. So I think that's a great filter here because we have a pretty good win rate, as you could see in the journal. And now if we can just take out a couple losing trades, we're going to have an even higher rate as we pushed past 60% to maybe 80%, 90%. GPT also helps you define what issues you're hitting. So in this case, we really traded a pullback, not a total reversal, and we need to wait for exhaustion. But it also gives you a playbook of how you can improve. So what you could do is actually, you could really take this analysis. You can even screenshot it directly into your trading journal as well. So I'm going to go back to the trade. Click on the trade itself. And this is why we really like TraderSync. You can add the image right in here. Just make sure you save the image and you can just add it right in here as well. I'm also going to just upload the setup image and the notes right there. You can also just copy and paste the notes right in from ChatGPT. Totally up to you how you want to use it. But I think it's really interesting that you can analyze your trades at this level and even mark them, right? So you can add a mistake. Let's say, we're going to say equal high mistake. And so hopefully we don't make that mistake again. You want to look for that extension, be a little patient. Maybe sometimes you might miss a trade. Better to miss a trade than to take a bad one. All right. So we got everything added in here. And what I love about this too, it even gives you a post-mortem takeaway, right? Sticking to high reversal probabilities, how you can analyze the internal breakup structure. And one thing that I even picked up on for anybody who's trading reversals out there is the fact that the breakup structure happened much earlier on. So something is going to be much more in a trend if the breakup structure didn't just happen. So it's not going to reverse. That means price is being sustained. That means it's going in the same direction. So you've got a trend and there's going to be continuation. The likelihood of a reversal is much lower. But you guys don't have to do all this manually. There are so many algos out there for this, and there are some amazing tools that we are promoting now too. And it's all backed by AI, and just use the data. That's going to give you an edge. Because it doesn't matter what strategy you have, whether it's swings, reversals, quick scalps, whatever you're looking at, there is tools and technology out there for you. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or DM us directly, follow us, and we'll see you in the next video.